She became a household name for playing Dr. Simran in the hit TV show Astitva Ek Prem Kahani. But there's so much more to actress Nikki Walia than meets the eye. Apart from being a classic beauty and super talented, she's also one of the most interesting people I've ever had the pleasure of interviewing.
हमने सुना है बॉलीवुड का प्यार ना ओवरसीज में बहुत होता है.
Oh yes.
Did you experience that as an audience, not from somebody from the industry?
I feel like a bigger celebrity when I'm out. US, Dubai, even UK for that matter. Because I think यहाँ पर वो घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर नहीं जाते कि अरे इधर दिख जाते हैं, अरे वहाँ दिख जाते हैं. Over there, because everybody living abroad is so far away from their roots, and then we as actors, our characters are what keeps them like rooted to our culture, our dances, our industry, our lifestyles. Even to a certain extent, I feel we are responsible for them to even understand how far we've grown, how much we've evolved. Because somewhere deep inside now, living in the UK, I've also realized is that there are families who have held on to their culture. They're more closer to how Nana and Nani are over here, over there. Because उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर हम सारी traditions छोड़ देंगे, ज़्यादा ही western हो जाएंगे, तो फिर हमारे next पीढ़ी
वो क्या लेगी?
You know, so they're grounded. And I've noticed a lot of people in India are way more advanced than families there. So for them, when they see us, you know, they feel like, oh my God, I get a lot of, oh my God, Dr. Simran, what are you doing here?
Dr. Simran.
Yeah. Oh, वो मेरा दूसरा नाम है. मुझे कोई डॉक्टर सिमरन बुलाता है तो मैं हाँ जी ऐसे करती हूँ. It is literally, I'm like kind of christened Dr. Simran. But yes, they love you more there because they feel closer to their roots. When they see you, they feel कि हाँ ये अपनी आ गई. हम उनके लिविंग रूम में हैं रोज.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
तो ये तो अपनी सिमरन है. You know, it's that feeling.
तुम्हारी बातें सुनते सुनते मैं भी यही सोच रही थी. तुम भी तो मुश्किल वक्त से गुजरे हो. इनफैक्ट गुजर रहे हो. किससे करते हो अपने दिल की बातें? शिकायतें किससे करते हो तुम?
करता ही नहीं, मैं ऐसी बात ही नहीं करता हूँ.
बहुत हिम्मत वाले हो.
Now when you came back from UK to India,
हाँ जी.
was it like easy to start from where you left, or did it feel like, you know, reintroducing yourself another time to the industry?
Coming back now has not felt like I ever left. The only difference this time for me is that now I'm here to stay.
Okay.
I will only go back if I need to go back. It's the other way around.
Which was the other case, right, initially?
It was the other way around. Wow. So it's not been that much of a transition for me because as an actor, I've done all जो आपने नाम लिए Tara versus Bilal, Niyat with Vidya ji. I've done Tuesdays and Fridays. So I've been working. So I never really felt like I'm out.
No.
But what I want to do is, you know, kind of get into that whole OTT space now. And
you're enjoying this?
I'm loving it.
रात को 12 बजे जब तेरा फोन नहीं आया, मैं समझ गई कि तू खुद आ रही है. यहाँ मैं मुश्किल से अपने आप को मेंटेन करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ और तू पूरे मोहल्ले को बता दे कि मैं 50 साल की हो गई हूँ. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
मैम आप वो एरा की जब बात कर रहे हैं versus आज के एरा की बात कर रहे हैं, and you also mentioned about Vidya ma'am, whether it's Shahid, whether all the actors that you're working with now. What is it about this generation that really fascinates you? You know, anything that really impresses about this young generation of actors, or somebody that personally really stood out for you individually?
I think refreshingly, the same point that I just told you about us not feeling threatened by each other, this new generation, I found that. I found that camaraderie in them. I found that they are literally actresses and actors who are friends. And to a certain extent, the only thing I'll say that is different in this and has worked in their advantage is the fact that they have a lot more options today. हमारे ज़माने में टीवी होता था, सिनेमा होता था, end of, correct? तो काम भी उतना ही लिमिटेड होता था. अभी इतना अनलिमिटेड वर्क है that I think this PD has understood कि भाई अगर नेटफ्लिक्स वाला शो निकल गया तो अमेजोन का है, फलां प्रोड्यूसर निकल गया तो डिम का है, नहीं तो यूट्यूब पे व्लॉगिंग कर लेते हैं, नहीं तो हम इंस्टाग्राम गेम स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लेते हैं. You know, it's endless. The platforms are endless for them. So I think they've kind of made peace with the fact that there is work for everyone.
रोज ऑफिस लेट पहुंच रही है तो हाय राम, हालत देख तेरी कमरे की तानी. प्लेग शुरू होगा ना तो तेरे कमरे से शुरू होगा. उठ.
सुबह सुबह सरांसर बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं पुत्र, तेरे लिए मेडिटेशन म्यूजिक चलाऊं. उठ जा.
ये टिप्स ना अपने किट्टी पार्टी गैंग को देना।
और तो ये ना sarcasm अपनी राइटिंग के लिए लग, समझी ना? Cleanliness is next to godliness, तानी। कमरा साफ रखेगी ना, दिमाग साफ रहेगा, अच्छे अच्छे आइडियाज को बर्थ देगी तू। So only time I feel a little sad is when I see very many talented actors sitting at home or losing jobs to influencers with X million followers. Because I'm not a casting director, but I've been in the industry to know better कि यार ये role तो वो actor better करेगी. ये influencer है, इसको मिल गया है. I have no disrespect towards influencers. I think it is commendable what they do, waking up every morning like a disciplined job
And making
to put content out
yes.
there. And after all, at the end of the day, everybody is earning their livelihood.
Yeah.
You know, I'm all for it. I say more power to you. But then there is somewhere I feel there needs to be that bifurcation in the space of actors and influencers.
But hopefully, you never know.
But there are pros and
There's-
cons to everything.
For everything, actually. There's
Pros
a
and
market
cons to
for
everything.
everything,
Yeah.
actually.
Rosewood will not tolerate any kind of lewd behavior. मैं आप सबसे एक बात पूछना चाहती हूँ। रोहन के खिलाफ कंप्लेन करने की जगह उसके साथ मॉरल पुलिसिंग करने की क्या जरूरत थी? एक स्टूडेंट को स्ट्रिप करके उसे टेरेस पे ले जाना? Absolutely preposterous.
मॉम वो खुद ही टेरेस
Ranveer, you are the head boy of the school. If anything, you know the rules. No student is allowed on the terrace.
The acting was always part of the plan, or did it just happen naturally?
Not even close, and I don't even want to sound cliche कि मेरी तो acting करना ही नहीं करना था, मुझे pilot बनना था. But my father, because I said I have to go to Houston, Texas, I want to study there, I want to learn how to fly there. He said no. उन्होंने मना कर दिया. And how did I start acting then? Remember a few minutes ago I told you कि अगर मुझे कोई challenge करता है तो फिर मैं कहती हूँ कि
So I
अब तो मैं करके दिखाऊंगी. So that kid of mine went, अच्छा, Motu ने मेरे को मना कर. I used to call my father Motu, and he used to call me Moti because we had these cute little I probably still have them, but yeah, we were proper Punjabi golu molus. So when my father challenged me, I went up to भैया. I said, भैया मुझे पैसे बनाने हैं. आपने बोला था मैं मॉडलिंग कर सकती हूँ. मेरे को मॉडलिंग करानी है, कैसे भी कराओ. कहाँ कराना है? So he booked Gautam Rajadaksha's studio. I wore Archana Puran Singh's clothes. My father had no clue I'm doing my portfolio. It was so exciting. Like चोरी छिपे उनके पीठ पीछे जाके मैंने portfolio. Mom knew. But mom knew and she knew what I'm up to. And that's where my journey began. I did my portfolio, and while I was in the studio shooting my portfolio, Mickey Contractor came into the room. Mickey Contractor and Gautam Rajadaksha were best of friends. He walked in just to collect contact sheets, correct? And studio उनके घर पे shoot करते थे हम in town. He walked in, he went like that and said, I thought माधुरी दीक्षित सार की लगती है. First day of my shoot, माधुरी दीक्षित सार की and I just burst out laughing. And then because we all kind of cracked up, Gautam paused the shoot and he came in and said, "Hi, Mickey Contractor." I said, Nikki Aneja. So he goes, "You look just like Madhuri Dixit." So I said, "Thank you." You know, and that time I was like, "Madhuri Dixit, what are you saying?" But next sentence was, "First portfolio, have you modeled before?" I said, "No, I'm here to make my." Hold on. You carry on. He left. And I'm like in my head thinking, 10 minutes later, he comes back and says something in Marathi to Gautam, and I can't remember that. Gautam said, "Hold on. Nikki, we've got a call from Danabai Jewelers. Would you mind becoming the face of Danabai Jewelers?" And I swear, look, I'm talking to you right now, I'm getting goosebumps. And I looked at Gautam and I said, "What do you mean, would I mind?" And I looked at Bharat and Doris for a validation, should I do it kind of thing, you know? And Bharat and Doris like, "They're doing this to me." And I was like all of 20 years. I was all of 20 years when this happened. You know, it was like, and when they did this, I'm like, oh my God, I don't even have my pictures in my hand. And I have Danabai Jewelers as a client. That's where my journey began.
तुम ना आती ना तो वो मम्मी मुझे ही बुलाती.
वो मर भी जाएगी ना तो मम्मी तुम्हें कभी नहीं बुलाएगी.
जानू, देख रहे हो ना कैसी माँ है ये? भानु को मार देना चाहती है. अच्छा हुआ जो आपने छोड़ दिया.
ये तो मेरे ही घर में बैठकर क्या बकवास किए जा रही हो?
ये घर दहेज में नहीं लाई हैं.
मेरे बाप ने पैसे दिए थे तब जाकर बना था ये घर.
प्लीज लड़ना बंद करो आप दोनों. मैं कोई रास्ता निकालता हूँ.
But मैम इसमें एक चीज आपने जो बोली जो मेरे को भी आपसे पूछना था. People have actually compared your screen presence
To
your smile
MD?
with Madhuri Dixit, ma'am. Do you still take that as a compliment or will you?
100% take it as a compliment. Matlab, you're not like comparing me to the back of a bus, no, Baba? You're comparing me to the Madhuri Dixit. थोड़ा मुझे लॉस जरूर हुआ इंडस्ट्री में बिकॉज ऑफ आवर रिजेम्बलेंस. हाँ, थोड़ा लॉस जरूर हुआ है काम को लेकर बिकॉज there's that whole, you know, she's there, a lookalike is there and she does the same thing that, and I've also lost out on a film in which she was being cast and there was a second primary role and I didn't get it because it would be two of us in the same frame.
Okay.
So along with the excitement of looking like MD, I have also faced a lot of losses because of that. But then I just take it as जो, like I told you, जो आपका है वो आपको ढूंढेगा. जो नहीं है, what's not meant to be. I don't take life that seriously.
Before we wrap this,
हाँ जी.
what next? What kind of stories, characters will you still get excited now and honestly you wish to have on your bucket list?
My bucket list is main character energy. I would love to headline a show and I'm putting it out there. First time on your show. I want to be back, but what I'm rooting for is main character energy.